Look at that. What up, Rockford? It's your boy Manny Salgado. This time we're downtown Rockford, East State Street in Madison. I'm right at CJ's Public House. We're gonna go inside because I heard they got some amazing tacos. So follow me. What up, guys?
What up, Manny?
How you guys doing, man?
Doing good.
Javi, you ready to cook up some tacos?
Hell yeah.
Let's do it, baby. Hey, everybody, so it's your boy Manny. I'm inside of the kitchen over here at CJ's. I'm with Javi here. How's it going, Javi?
Good.
Good? So, Javi, how long have you been here? 2 years?
No, 1 year.
1 year. So in 1 year, wow. So question, Javi, what's your favorite thing to cook?
Tacos.
Tacos? So we're gonna try some tacos today, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're gonna try the steak. Let me get one chicken. And then I heard you have longaniza too?
Yes, sir.
Longaniza. So throw me a longaniza. And while we're at it, who do you got back here? That's, what's your name, bro?
Andres.
Andres and Reina. Reina's over there. Hi, Reina. How's it going, Reina? You guys working hard or hardly working? Always. Yeah. While they're standing around, right? Yeah. Right. So, if you've never been here, you guys, we're at CJ's over in downtown area on State and Madison. You know the famous CJ's been down here forever. Javi's taking over their kitchen, and he's doing tacos, tortas, burritos, all kinds of stuff. If you get a chance to, and you're in the downtown area, try some tacos, man. So I'm gonna let the man do his thing. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at that. Woo! My man cooked it all, right? Yes, sir. Look at him doing his thing over here. Look at that. Uh-oh, do that again. We gotta do it again. Hey! All right, guys, take a look at this. Beautiful. Woo! Reina's over here making sure that I'm gonna like the tacos, right?
With that spicy hit sauce.
That's a chicken one. You know what? I have to say, for a chicken taco, that's got a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
It does. It really does. All right, next taco. This is the carne asada taco.
Ooh, you can that shit up.
I love it. Another good taco. I like that they only use one tortilla and they crisp it up a little bit so it doesn't break on you. Because if it wasn't crispy like that, it'd be tearing up.
Yeah, we got you like that.
All right, now chorizo gets really dark brown because it's a lot of fat. But this is longaniza. So longaniza is basically the same seasonings that they use in chorizo, but with a leaner meat, and because of that, it retains the bright red color. It's not because they add different coloring or anything. It's literally the same stuff. It's just that with chorizo, it's more fat content. I don't know if you knew that or not, but I'm just trying to school my people. That's why it's a red like that. So if you ever have a chance to try longaniza, try that instead of chorizo. Man, that's good longaniza. I think my favorite one is the longaniza, people. So there you have it, folks. Make sure you come on down here at CJ's. Talk to Javi, order some longaniza tacos. Until next time, people. Oh yeah, order with Reina. Until next time, love, peace, and taco grease.